Absolutely a tornado on the ground. Either in, there it is again, another power flash. Power is out in Chalmette. Power is out in Chalmette. That is a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. If you're in Araby, if you, oh my goodness, that is a significant tornado on the ground, guys.
Man, that's crazy. I just really was this close to death. I was just driving in a tornado just now. They had 2 explosions went off. I see just swarming and spinning around, you heard me? I make the U-turn right here and go clean towards the city, you heard me? Man, that's crazy.